Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Deputy Commissioner jangka West Khasi Hills District PD Sangma haka khatsau tarik kelalengkot arajar RPR ula pelaj ba yaka electoral roll ka khaddu na ka bentaki laiteli ki constituency jangka West Khasi Hills District. Nakaliang jong additional deputy commissioner uba HK Thaba ula pentip bagi don hadu lai hajar sauspa sanpu arngut kiba penrung kerteng temai bat sauspa arfun yongut kidai kibala sya weng kerteng siajar sispa laifu arngut kibala penbek yaka kerteng bat laispa arfu saungut kidai kibala kenriak no yaka jakasa. Hagani gasngi nakaliang jong deputy commissioner ula IT yaki compact disc bat yaki electoral roll syaki nong mikmat jong ki sengsain pertai ki balai shimenta hagajing yalang.
Ki bapendap kerteng thamai dan kendai spa sampusan.
Kendai spa
Sampusan. Ka deletion ngilaweng spa sampuengun tu ki bala akhlak bat ki bala mina na constituency. Ki bala correction ki dan live spa kendai selai. But the transposition, iba transfer na koi ka polling station, siya koi pat kidan hindi po prangon. Kita din naka Northern Assembly constituency. Then naka 33 Ramrai Jungam, iba la register kerteng thamai kidan si hajar as pasan. Iba la delete, la ne balaweng naka electoral roll kidan as pasal. Balik correction, live spa hindi pulai. Bat kini ki transposition kaba mod bat kini nak kawin ka PS check kawin ka polling station hajo ka assembly constituency kidan shispa supply kaba nak ka 34 Maushunut assembly constituency iba register thamai kidan si hajar aspa handai ko ar iba la sha weng no nak electoral roll nyok po arnot correction live spa nyok ndio Barka transposition shispa halai. Teka total addition ki ba dangli thama ki ba register thama hakal roll ki dang lai south san ar borok hoika district. Lahja south pasupwa.
Ite ki pre-revision activities pangila le nang tapor at the time of revision activities nila le yaka immediately after the draft publication of integrated photo electoral roll ngila le yaki filing of claims and objections bagi eligible citizens gitu ki bala adap kerta ka prasnen shaneng nangta ngila le ru yaki ar smiki special campaign perhadin kata ngila le yaka ki iaros jongi bat ki iaros kila le yaka disposal of claims and objections gitu ki ismi bala abu katum schedule bala abu daga election commission of India de makanika por na shime kanika lat ban ai kuble yaki officer jongi baro ki supervisors ki BLOs bat ki ki BLS lesibuna na ki political parties ki la tung ki BLS ban yarap ki bala ada snem la ne ki bala among eligible ban ya bat ki correction la ne transposition kum kita ki ini layo pendebat la ban pendebat gitu ki revision activities they lembaka jingtree storm, but it's due to the hard work that has been put in by our officers that we are able to publish this final electoral roll Matagasni. After the publication of final electoral, again there will be continuous revision. With the election early next year, listening in Nangdon Rusa Kawika some special summary revision, Gatuik and long final electoral roll, Shuaka general election lasim seneng is February March ni patip ya ki yang benai tanpa lesai gitu gi benai ngin sa penlong ya ka ngin sa kandak ya ka election general election assembly election po Meghalaya.